Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about how to insert objects in Excel file. Now let's say you are going to do a presentation and you have documents or you have files as documents, you have video, you have PDF that you're going to show in the interview. Now, when that happens, you don't need to just carry everything along. You just have to just link them in your Excel sheet. As soon as you open and click them, then you can just view them. Now, so how can you just link them? Now, you can just go to the Insert tab and now click on Object, Insert Object. So you go to Insert tab and click on Insert Object. Now, you can choose from a file, then you locate where your file is, then you just click on that to add. The shortest way is also to just drag and drop. So to drag and drop. So let me resize the screen. Now you're going to insert in document. So I have a document here. I have a document here. Alright, so make a list. That's a document. So I'll just drag it. Now I will just leave it there. So just drag. Okay, so alright, so now this. Okay, so let's do it again and see. Alright, now let's go to the Insert tab and try that one and see. So Insert tab, Object, now Document, display as an icon, then choose from a file, Desktop. Now make a list. Okay, now let's wait. So you can see that now the file is here. Okay, you have the file here. Now let's try with the video. I have a video, Excel video here. So for the video, you can just drag, then you drop it, and let's wait. Okay, now so let's resize the video here. Let's resize it. Okay, so you have the video. Okay, have the video here. Now with the PDF too, I have a PDF document here, so you can just drag and drop. Now wait for it to be inserted. Okay, so now it is here. You can see now it is already even opened, and you can read from what you have here. You can decide to just minimize it and just paste it there as well. So you can just expand it to read, or you can just minimize it, okay, to fit the content. Alright, so with this, how can you open it? In order to open, just double click. Okay, so I have this video, I want to open this video, just double click on the video and you can see it will start playing. Okay, so you see now it is playing now. Okay, now the same thing applies to the document. You can still double click and you can see now it's open, so you can just read. Alright, so that is a way to open or insert file. Now under inserting this file, how can you just format it? Now we've talked about picture formatting in the Microsoft Word tutorial. So here let me take you through. So just click on the video file and go to shape format. Shape format on the tab over there. So you click on the shape format. Now when you click on the shape format, you can see we have a lot of shapes over here. Okay, and you have shape effects. So shape effects, you have 3D shape effects. You can decide to choose any of these shapes and it's going to apply to the video. And there is a border as well. You can just apply the border to, that's the shape outline. You can apply border to the text, and you can increase the border by going to weight and increase the border as well. Okay, so this is how it's going to look in your video or in your presentation or in your Excel. As soon as you double click, it starts playing. The same thing applies when you double click on this file. It's going to be opened, then you read. Alright, so that is a way to just insert objects in your Excel file. It is simple. You can just drag and drop. Drag from where it is and drop it here, or can just go to the Home tab and go to Insert tab, then click on Object to just insert it from the location. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.